right, stream just started. So we'll tap in since yesterday. Let's see what ended up happening. Just thumbnail real quick. Upload thumbnail. It's so funny to see all this volume like late in the year. It's like it's probably like a mental block for people to not want to trade at the end of the year, but yeah, it's been perfectly fine for us. Perfectly. Damn. If my middle name were Brandon Beck, I might take this flip. It's just so ass, but you be like, bro, this shit got to come from all the way down here to flip all the way up and re-break its high 180. And then if you wanted to go another 40, 30, 40. We'll see when we get there. Exactly. We'll see how it goes. Because the 5 minute just closed, and obviously it closed bearish. It did close respecting here though. We're gonna see how it ended up. But let's see. So the daily, obviously we knew what that was going on yesterday. That fell out of the sky and actually closed under this support, but above this support. So not surprised that we were rejecting out of it the way we are right now. So you need to get rid of all these blue lines that I'll be using throughout the day. I might just kind of go with the basic support and resistance lines that I'll be using. So let's see, you got a resistance obviously above the most recent bullish exposure. I mean, right there. But is there a way to take advantage of from here to there, which is 70, rather than just having to wait to get above there? There might be, like, say this closes weak bearish, you get a break above here, anything could happen. So I'll actually move this on down, like quote unquote above that, and then we'll just go candle to candle. And it's so funny because it seems so tight, but that's a 60 pip range from here to here. But I would take an impulse entry on the break of that high, and then sells. Sells are easy under here. Taking them down into where it just rejected out of here. Then final targets come on down into there, that support. So just like I'll be saying, just going zone to zone to zone. That's it, that's it, that's it. If you start playing in here, ain't no real telling where price is gonna go just yet. But I'm just looking at the time and the volume, looking at this 5 minute creeping on up, trying to think it's gonna break this little high right here. We're gonna see. A lot of options of moves to be had right now. A lot of options. Making the top with it come down, man. If it can close like right here, that'd be so nice. Cause it should reject it out of here like a. Man, just hang out right there. Just hang out right there. Oh, okay. So that's not gonna be 50% of your profits though. You know, they be tripping by that 10-second rule, but when you on a funded account, you just gotta have like 50% of your profits can't be in 10 seconds or less. Trade 10 seconds or less. Let's see what this 5 minutes talking about. Came up, grabbed that wick, closed below here. Not coming down. If it can close below this, and let's see if it's gonna reject it again. This is good. You think so? Let's see. Let me get my other music right. Is it gonna keep on rejecting this though? You not worried about this? You think it's gonna just fill this? Yeah, I think it should. Because oftentimes you see it don't just reject like this completely on the next candle. Like if it will, it'll go like, and then start doing that. We'll see. Yeah, like, I mean, I'm looking right at a resistance. So you know how sometimes we'll wait on a closure above a retest of this area and to continue? That might be what this candle is doing, like retesting to continue up. Like you just never really know. Retest. That's a 1 hour resistance. 4 hours still open. So maybe I'll just be scaring myself out of position sometime. But that's all. This was what I'm looking at. I would be more comfortable if it closed below this, but we'll see. 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Check in with this agent that's about to show this house. Like, is it something to worry about? Is it just gonna go? Yeah. Because if I were just looking at the next supports, I would say, shit, we obviously not gonna stop until here and here. That's what I mean. That's what I think is actually going to happen. I just don't want to get caught in this entry, get caught in the pullback before it does that. Because I think it's gonna happen. It's just like, how is it gonna get there? Yeah, I need a good opening. And then the last thing I want to do is get in on the break of this wick after it done rejected 3 times now from this same 1, 2. Like, is it gonna do it again? We'll see. We'll see. It's early in the day. Let's see how this candle opens. So I'm interested to see if this candle opens straight down. We'll see. Come on, come down. Right now we just kind of chilling like in the middle of here and here. I'd rather have closed up here or closed under here. Show that 5-minute high break right here. I'm gonna choose this range from under here to here. That's 80 under there. That's a lot of range. You getting in on the break of that previous candle low, or what you waiting on? It is what it is. Just is what it is, bro. Hey, silent observer. I would like to think that it's gonna go. I'm gonna sit it out just because I think at worst I'm gonna wait on a 5-minute candle to close under at worst. But I do like it to go 75 pips. Technical stop game. But I do like it to go. All right, it's coming down. Let's see, you about to get entered. Hopefully it's just a quick ass dart down for real. Don't play around. What we rejecting here for? What we rejecting here for? Bullshit. I'm telling you, bruh. Again? Hey, bruh. When Price showed me something 1, 2, 3 times, I'm like, shit. What they say on that Drewski meme, that's just me though. That's just me though. Like I said, I do think it's going to fall. Definitely do. That's the Drewski meme I'm feeling right now. I think it's gonna fall now. I really do. I really think it's gonna fall. But I just want to get a good entry before getting lost in the sauce. But I think it's gonna fall. That's old Brandon back in the day would say, bro, I was trying to get in there. I just thought it was gonna fall. Boy be killing me. Because, bro, honestly, if it closes below here, it'll be good. If it closes above here, it'll be good, I think. But right in this middle, it's just a little weird. That's the only thing. So 5 minutes about to close in 1 minute, basically 50 seconds. So let's see what happens on this 5-minute candle. Because if we start getting back above my purple line that I wanted a closure below, when we came above here, we came up here, here, and here. So definitely gonna see. Let's see. 5 minute made a low first. Coming up, filling this wick on out. We'll see, bro. I see both things happening. Gotta? I don't know, man. Gotta? Gotta? Jamal said, gotta? Man, we done seen this game do us dirty all year, fellas. It's so funny, though, like, being a profitable trader, like, knowing and still dealing with the BS. Like, still, bro. Like, I've had times this year where prices missed my target by a pip and I've taken a full loss. I've had times where I've gotten paralysis and didn't cut my loss where I should have and just lost way more. Like, bro, and we still here. That's just what it's all about. That is ultimately what it's all about. But God, man, bruh. If I was a super scalper, I'm telling you, like my win rate would be probably lower because I'd be taking more trades, but I could find a trade on anything. Rejection off of this support, 5 minute candle, open straight down, re-break at a high, came up to fill its own wick. Boom, 30. Like, it's just so many trades to take out of this little BS. So many. The 15, the breath of. Exactly. It's like, what you really trying to do? Funding ticks just did, they just added a minute rule. So every trade under a minute, it's like, I guess it don't count or something. I was like, bro, and I already had 2 accounts. That's like halfway to payout. I ain't even paying that rule no mind, bro. Like, whatever happened. However I end up, it just is what it is. If we close bearish, respecting this support, and I get a 15-minute top wick, man, I'm looking buys, chat. I'm looking buys, anticipating that 1 hour candle will come down and fill this wick. But it's got to make a top wick, and all I need is 30 to 40. But with all that volume yesterday, Roger, I was scared to use my normal lots, boy. But today, it's looking like price want to act like he got some sense. But 1 hour candle, 600 pip fall. No top wick. Brandon said he had a 1 sweating. I was thinking yesterday, I was like, sometimes I'll be wanting to give that trade room to breathe. But then I'll be like, considering that when I get in straight profits, I don't be wanting to see much more than 30 to 40. I'd be hard pressed to go from negative 30 wanting to see positive 30. That's a 60-point swing. That's kind of crazy. So you might, like, you literally, like, with the way we trade, that is, you literally might as well cut it. Because, I mean, unless you really, like, you wouldn't sit in unless you were just willing to sit in plus 60, which is cool. You said delete this? Oh, now it's getting too big. Now it's getting too big. 128. Man, hey. I talked to Tonio yesterday. He said he gonna be back on the chart soon. I said, yeah, nigga. Yeah. You don't want this shit. Bro, I think this shit about to go up. I think we had a little pullback for today, but I think that rejecting out of this support, retesting this resistance on the 30-minute and the 1 hour. Perfect retest. That's why I wish like I could really catch these entries. Like if you traded structure rather than like support and resistance, but like and that's kind of support and resistance too, but like more so just like entry right here, stop loss under structure, like down here. But you would have to just be willing to like hold to make it make sense, because we just trade with such high volatility, high impact. But like, bro, if you trading what you supposed to be trading, like, you know, back in the day, like a 0.10 or something like that, like or 0.05 from back in the day, like it wouldn't be so much risk on the table, bro. We'd be going for the gusto. You gonna see that little 200-300 in a few minutes. It is what it is. But if you let the trade work how it's supposed to work, right, you wouldn't really be tripping about 30, 40, 50 pip drawdown. Like that's normal as gold. Like, I don't want to see 10. Yeah. I mean, nigga, close your eye. Bro, what price gets to where it's going to get to? It just, once again, do you want to be sitting in the drawdown or not? Or can you? The play to do right now is just close your eyes and press buy. I mean, gold is going to go up over time, but right now I'm trying to build that wealth, so can't do that just yet. This is one of the smaller ranges that we've seen in a while. It's still huge. Let's see. From here to here. Yeah. Only an 815 pip range. And that's the smallest we've seen in a while. Usually price be all up here and all down here. And think about the highs and lows of yesterday. Here and here. So are we gonna close below? I don't even know which one I prefer at this point. I really don't. Because the 15 is about to close bullish. 30 is about to close bearish. And the 1 hour is about to close bearish. But what I'm anticipating if the 15-minute can close above is that we can make a top wick for this bearish 1 hour and 30. But like I said, y'all know I'm scary. It's price rejecting out of here. This resistance right there, where it perfectly tapped into. Just options, bruh. Options. But I ain't too worried about that really. Like that's just a 15-minute. Is that the same thing on a 30? Yeah, kinda. We'll see. I still think that we need a top wick on the hourly candle. Regardless. This 5-minute candle just made a low. Perfectly tapped right into this support again, this support area. All right. So if it closes above, that shit going up. It just depends on how nicely this can open up. Let me see. Go ahead and get my little position ready. That's crazy what this 1-minute candle just did. That's 30. Bro, telling you. Yeah. So not much of a bottom wick on this 1 hour right now. It's just rejected like hell out of this support, y'all. Damn, do I put my trust in this? What I saw yesterday, because I missed it yesterday by not taking it. All right, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it and not be scary.
Order
Ooh,
filled.
all right, I'm in it. And if I lose, I lose. It is what it is, I guess. It's just anticipating the top wick being made. If I see like minus 20, 25, I'll cut it per usual. It's just anticipating the top wick being made, y'all. Come on, run up. Come on now. Come on. What are we doing? I know, right? It's like playing around. Man, come on now. Bro, is it getting stopped up right here? Ooh, almost cut the stream off. Oh, accident. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bruh. Oh my goodness. Man. I seen 7 turn negative 10. Like in a dip. Now I'm back to break even. Bruh. Man, that's so lame, bro. What is going on? I'm telling you, I should have, well, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Well, my first mind of respecting this resistance right now. And how many did I see on that? Let's see. 9 or 10. That's just lame because 402.1, 4402.4. Let's see what I got out of it over here. 12, 9. Exactly. Still the right play, just early. Yeah. I agree, Jamal, because it's the thing is, like I be saying, it's likely going to do that. It's just the real stop is all the way down here, and it's like you just can't use that, unfortunately. But nah, you're definitely right. I had my stop at 25. Oh, we'll see. Now just waiting on a closure, either above it or below it. That's all good. Taking my little loss. And I just knew when I seen that plus 8, plus 9, I said, oh, we going. But what's so crazy is that shit be coming down with a vengeance, don't it? 3 1-minute candles, 1, 2, 3. Boy, that shit has fallen 60 since my entry. But let it be in it though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on the 15-minute. Go to a new account, new set. I'm not in it over here. Yeah. Oh. Let's see if this 5-minute candle is going to flip or if it's just going to keep running up. It might be the same damn play at 9:15, to be honest. I just knew this 1 hour was gonna make a top wick though. More than this. It's back to entry. That's how the game goes, bro. Or it's back close entry. It's not at entry yet. I'm telling y'all, gold will break your heart if you let it. Gotta understand what come with the game. Understand how you trade. Like I said, the real stop loss ain't so way the hell down here below this support and resistance. Which is just, you can't really do that shit. Trading the size I trade, I'll take a minus little 25. I can't sit no minus 50. Unless I'm trying to see 50, 60, 70. It's all good. Now, if this 5 start flipping and shit, it should be good. It go down, but if it just start hanging out, go to the 5-minute time frame, which is a whole bunch of hanging out. So we really need to get above here now, or actually close below here. We'll see. And that's so lame, bruh. It was this 1 minute candle that gave me hope, and it broke my heart, bruh. Nothing but clean, nothing but broke all them highs. Sight. I like the same move at 9:15 though. If it closes above this time. Yeah, bro. My entry was 44.05. Boy, that shit came all the way down to 43.98. And as much as I would love to sit in 70 pip drawdown chat, I just can't, man. But I'll be back to break even though. I would be. If my entry was better than that, I would be all right. And all I did was come back down and perfectly retest this support right here. I don't want to jump the gun. I really, really, really don't. But if this 5-minute candle closes above, it would not be a bad play. I just don't want to jump that gun. We'll see. What'd you say? I know, right? It's almost like shit. If it go, it go. But you still got a lot of range up. Like technically speaking, you got all this to come. I just think this is gonna be the first stop. We'll see if it can even close above it. Well, it's rejecting out of that too. We just in a range. Damn, 1 hour candle? Bullshit. I want to say the 4 hours. Yeah, the 4 hours still open too. Yeah, bro, the 4 hours bullish. Came down, made a bottom wick. Odds aren't a bad play. Okay, so 5-minute candle about to close. Nothing doing. One more candle to close for the 15 minute, and we'll see how we looking. Hope we're not waiting until 9:30, man. I'm telling you, bro, just playing pinball. Playing pinball. Let's see. And if we get a candle closing under here in 3 minutes, I do think it's good to go. But it got to close under here, anticipating that we're going to start filling this wick here. But if it closes respecting it, I don't want to jump the gun just yet. I'll just wait on 9:30. It closes inside this range. Like I said, I lost my little 250, or not 250, 25 pips. I'm on different accounts though. Speaking of, bro, what are we doing? This shit is just playing pinball. If we want to close above, we can. If we want to close above, it can. It just might, bro. I'm gonna zoom out. Bruh, this is just funny. Yeah, when we was on yesterday, it was just running and running and running. One minute. Let me do something. You're gonna be sitting here. Guess we're gonna be sitting here. All right. Man, that's bullshit. Well, what I think is gonna happen is I think we're gonna start filling this wick out. What I think. But if it close above this line, we're gonna start coming up. So 15 more minutes. So whatever your folks need to do, go ahead and do it. Hoping I, hoping I can get 2 more moves under here and under here. That would be ideal. Clean that loss up a little bit or get it all back and then take another W. Or at worst, just get the loss back. Man, what you take a lot? Well, how much you take? Oh, Roger wasn't playing. Finger on the trigger. Yeah, that 150. Yeah, I mean, I seen us. So I seen us up 8 or 9, and then it jumped down like -10. I'm like, what are we doing? But it's all good though. It's all good. I thought we'd make a better top than this though. But that's a lesson. I guess lesson learned. I mean, it's a resistance right there is playing around that. I said it too. I said, I wonder if that's gonna do it, but I just knew we was gonna do more than this, bro. Oh, I thought I was about to blast off. Oh, is it gonna go when it breaks this low? No top. Coming down into here. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see. 1 hour has a wick to fill. I'ma chill though. I'ma chill. Just don't do no dumb shit. That's what it all comes down to. Exactly. I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna chill for now. I'm gonna even go to the 30-minute. Man, 30-minute can stay right here. Boy, what a time we have at 9:30, but it's probably gonna go ahead and go. I just don't have the entry. Yeah, man, people be taking off. Understandably so. Understandably so. Bruh. You cannot make this shit up. This is how it was feeling. It was like, oh, we good. We good. Keep going. Pull back. A nasty feeling. And it's so crazy because it be happening in like a 1 minute candle, bro. Like you get all this and you just start flying in a different direction. He said he lost 150. That's why you ain't sick over there. That shit dancing. That shit dancing. I don't like it. It felt good. I had my stop originally on my funded accounts. I had it originally below the wick that it made, which was 33 or something like that, 31, 32, 33. But then I was like, man, let me just move this shit up to 25. What's the point? Oh, took me out at 25 and it ran down for another -40. I'd rather that, bro. It's just what you really expecting to happen. Is to get right to it and turn around. No. So why I like having different groups is if I took that loss and make a win, it's kind of like I made progress in a way. So just trying to continue to make progress. Looking at these 5-minute candles. Yeah, man. I mean, when you can break them up like that, it's smooth. I do like that. Like, if you keep your losses reasonable and you keep maxing out on the wins, over time you just need to get a few payouts. Like, keep saying it. 10 accounts, at 4 or 5 for each payout. We can just use easy numbers. If it costs $200 per account, it costs you $2,000 for 10 accounts. Like, if you get 5 payouts, you make. Come on now, bruh, crazy. That's what Brady did or is doing. Trying to be disciplined though. He said he ain't trading those accounts till January 2nd. I said, more power to you, my brother. That boy in his own way. I think that just bruh. They got a little different rules though. I'd have to like go look at them. It's intraday drawdown, so like we wouldn't run into a big issue with that. But it's like the people who swing trades. So like if you go up 400 and you come back down to break even, at that point you will your consistency will get messed up. Like it'll keep bumping up because the highest you saw in the day was 400. So now your floor gets raised up $400. Yeah. Nah, you gotta secure profit. I know, right? I'm still not trying to sit here all day either. We got another 5 minutes before this 30-minute closes, which is good. This candle is starting to come back up, still respecting this same support from over here. Same support. I'm telling you, bro, if you can play that support and resistance game, you can win. Sometimes you're going to get a little frightened. Like, say you had a little buy limit right there. It's going to show you a little -30 at the end of the day. You can just know where to put your stop losses. Be straight. Man, what we doing? Five seconds for this. 5 minutes close. Close very strong bullish, but Bruh, it is. Come on. Come on. Push up. There we go. Come on. Come on. I still like it to go up, bro. Like, off of the higher time frames. Like, nothing in the way at all until, like, here. Okay. Come on now. There we go. Push up and stay up. I see this 5-minute candle working. Doing some heavy lifting. Just got right into this zone again though, bro. Right into this damn zone. And if it don't, I mean, you know what though? Even if this closes below, depending on the bottom wick you got, I wouldn't be surprised if it broke this weak bearish high and still went up. Even if it closed below here. I took a trade like that like last week, maybe. But yeah, it was on stream. Yeah, it closed like below, but like you can tell I mean, if it closes something like this, even if it is below, I mean, bro, we got all this range up. But best case would just be because it's 9:30. But best case would just be a nice little closure above, wick down, please, Forex God, and get going. Come on, gotta stretch it out. What Jamal say? The idea was right. Just a little early to the party. It's a lot of range to go up still, man. I said I identified this as just the first little target, but bro, that's not even like really nothing to be worried about. I think that's from what, a 15-minute support, but nigga at 9:30, I'm anticipating this bitch to blast 60, 70, 80. Let's see what we can do. 30 seconds. I need a top wick. Come on, give me a top wick. Pull back. 20 seconds. I can't believe this 5 minutes acting like this. Come on, man. No wick, no entry, y'all. 10 seconds. Come on. I'm down a little bit. There we go. All right, that's a bottom wick, or that's a top wick. I need more than that. More. How much is that? That's 18. If it can break its own low again, I'll set it on a re-break of its high. If it just goes, it just goes. Unfortunately, you can get in right now, but it's just so early in the 30-minute candle. All right, re-break of its own high. I'm gonna have a buy stop. After it re-breaks its own high, should get going. We made a high. Ooh, so it might be quick, y'all. It just retested this resistance right here. How big is that technical stop? Technical stop is about 48. It's a lot of volume right now. Price is jumping. It just went from up here all the way down here, back up. I I'm anticipating that when it re-breaks its own high, not really worried about this, but you can at least go maybe stop loss or break even right there. I think we should blast past all that. But we'll see. Whatever the stop is, I guess it's really doesn't concern me too much because just use my typical 20, 25. All it. Jesus. Well. Now that we breaking all these lows, that's so crazy though, because the 1 hour still shows that we should be coming down. I just thought that after we closed above this resistance, that's why holding is just so tough for me. Like, imagine you in a buy position and you like, oh, bet we close above the range, and then you get that bullshit that happened to you. Like, it's about to break this low. If it breaks this low, it's likely gonna come down for real. I just not about to get in this shit all willy nilly. I would just probably wait on 945 for that. But I anticipate, all right, so it just broke that low. You just literally have no stop if you were to take that. Like none at all, unless you use the entry candle, which is that up here. I still like the buy. I just hate that they got to travel so much just to get me in. I hate that. This is ridiculous though, bro. That's 2 1-minute candles, by the way, y'all. 2 1-minute candles. Just fell 106 pips. 2 1-minute candles. Where is my luck? I'm on 30. What can that happen to me? I'm on 30 on my prop accounts and 50, 60 on my personal. When can that happen to me? When can I catch that? Let's see. 1 minute before this 5-minute candle closes. Even at 945, a sell under here wouldn't be bad. All right, so let's put it out. I guess I'm gonna delete this now. Since it's 120 away, I'll add it back if I need to. Hey, boy, ah! There we go again. It's jumpy, bro. It's jumpy. Let's see if this, bro, if this 5-minute respects, it still may go up. Man, it's crazy. How many do you still want to break it at? 15. My super scalpers out there, if you get a closure below the 5-minute range, it should come down to fill this wick on out. I'm telling you, but I'm cool right now. But for real though, you just don't got no stop loss, which we never really do. This little 8-pip top wick. So fill the wick. There go 30, or about to, yeah, 30. Yep. It just, if you trade it like that, bro, you would have to use such low risk. Like imagine just throwing that 2, 3, 4 on that. Man, my heart will be thumping. Thumping. Let's see what we can do. That was too much back and forth for me. That shit went, where did it even close? Like it closed hella high. Yeah, I probably would have been out. Yeah, I couldn't have sat in that. I was negative 34. You got to enter on a break of that low. I could not have taken that. Yeah, at this point, price want to do all this. And all I wanted was from here to here. Maybe here. I like how I'm keeping my cool. One little off. I'm gonna win the charts close tomorrow, probably 12. I'll be right back. You back for 9:45. Ooh. All right then. All right, man. All right, man. All right, man. Gotta. This is still good. It's a great closure below. And it's crazy because using the highest time frames, which is the 1 hour. Damn, we were coming right into all this bullshit though. Damn it. Do we say we're not worried about that? We got a closure below here during the time of volume or what? Yeah, that's what I'm on, basically. Bro, this 5-minute candle has moved 120. Like, I don't think that asking for another 30 is crazy. You get a good entry. Let me move these around. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 40 seconds. What if this don't close below? I'm looking for the buy. Like last 15 seconds. Seconds. Hopefully this shit opens straight down so I can catch the top wick again. That ain't enough. I want it to at least come into here with no top. Play my little game. Oh, come on. I'm down. More. Oh. Bro. Man. Well, Roger, I'm stumped, bro. I'm stumped, man. Truthfully. I mean, we just keep closing above supports and then falling out anyway. Like, what you supposed to do with that? Thing is, there's just so much range to go. I mean, we can keep on just waiting and waiting and waiting, but damn, like, it ain't no explaining these 5-minute candles. It's just crazy. Bro, like, look at the 1 minute. Yeah, I did. I definitely did. Well, now what we waiting on sales below here? Into that channel again. Look at that perfect kiss. Well, well, I don't know, bro. You said what? Oh, you took a little bit of that momentum? How much you hit for? Why you get scared? Because you knew you was wrong? You didn't even have a stop loss, did you? Wherever I was feeling. Okay, Jamal. Let's see. Woulda. I know it woulda. Oh, that volume. That shit fell 160 in a 5-minute candle with a 4 pip top wick. That's where I be getting in my 5-minute bag, bro. And I be like, man, it's just we closing so close to support. That's the only thing. Like, if this was all green candles and it closed like this, I would anticipate that we gonna come right down into here, like top wick, come down into here. I would have to probably go down on my risk at that point. We saw this 5-minute opens. Probably gonna fall straight the hell down. But if it goes up for about 20, 30, I anticipate this wick to get filled, or at least most of it. But see, it's right near support right there, so it don't got much to go up. And just come fill it out. Right, there we go. And it should, well, damn. 30-0. That bad. Nah, bro. Man. Pissed. Look at that shit. Like, I'm still thinking about that 15-minute flip. It just had to come from so low, so far down. Your heart gonna race on the break of that level on me. Might be sad. 43. It's so crazy. Like, the re-break of this high is 80 pips away. 80, 90 pips away. But it makes sense though, because it came right into these wicks, all these wicks. I wouldn't be surprised if this candle closed exactly right here, if the next 5-minute candle does what these candles all have done in coming up. I may try my hand at that, but we'll just have to see. I'm waiting on a closure though. At least the 5 minutes. way that these candles all keep rejecting from right here, I wouldn't want to take it like that. But damn, 15 minute. It. Bro, you cannot. Bro, I'm thinking about it. But I kind of want to wait on a 5-minute candle to close, because that's where you could actually use whatever that low is, you can use as a stop. And I know we don't really too much care about what the technical stop should be, but it just actually gives you a stop rather than it should be all the way down here. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm looking at all these 5-minute candles, how it keeps rejecting and holding this support and resistance. So you'll see here. It's a very strong area. I think that if we re-break that 5-minute high here, if we can close above and re-break this high, I think that also means that you're going to re-break that high as well. But we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see. 50 seconds. This is a crazy ass candle though. Like, what are we doing? And if this candle just fucking flies with no bottom wick, bruh, it's gonna be a description of the day. So they're about the same damn near entry now, but I would like to use this entry just to catch the extra few pips. So if I can just get somewhat of a bottom wick for this new 5-minute opening, I'll take an entry on the break of this high. Or if it breaks this high but still doesn't break that high and then makes a low, that's still fine. Like, you use either one, but I prefer to take advantage of this extra 10, 11 pips. Might as well. Let's see. Let's see. 2, 1. See if it can give me anything. So it's already pretty far down right there. Come on, man, give something. Like, I like it, but you only got 4 minutes left in the whole damn 1 hour candle. Like, at that point, do you just wait? Because that's the end of the 1 hour candle and the 4 hour candle. All right. So it gave a little bit of a bottom. I'm gonna have it set, but if it don't get me in by like 58, I'm gonna just wait. I'm sure it's gonna keep falling though. Fat ass stop loss now. What's up? Oh, okay. Be safe. Love you too. Yeah, of course. You know the rules. And can you look for my AirPods? See if they're in there? Can you see if my AirPods are in there? In the car? Thank you. Yeah, like I said, I likely won't get activated on this, but if I do, boy, I need it to run, and I need it to run fast. I'm not trying to sit in this shit till 10, bruh. You know that bullshit's gonna happen, or this shit gonna play around. The 1 hour candle is gonna have close bearish belt. You be like, bruh. Getting a little close, 57. I need to get in this next minute. I don't want to be in longer than a minute, so I can deal with 2 minutes on the clock. But man, I don't know about 1 minute. Price action says that when we re-break this, we should at least come up into here and here and there. Hope I'm not making a bad decision. It got to do it right now. We got 25 seconds. If it don't do it right now, I'll wait until 10. You logging in at 10 or you got a meeting at 10? Oh, okay. Yeah, I ain't trying to be chasing waterfalls all morning. I'm gonna probably do this one move and probably try to call it. You only down 60, so this definitely can be your little redemption move. Oh, man. Maybe 20, 25 more seconds, bro. That's all I got for it. But I'm likely about to delete. It's still 40 pips away from entry. All right, I'm deleting. Not right now. So let's see. Let's prepare for 10, which is the 4-hour closure. So it's coming down now. It's at a weird ass spot because it could close below here, but above here. You got wicks to fill here. But if it closes respecting, I would anticipate trying to catch top wick. Buys are likely best above. I mean, best, obviously, like above here. But that's not seeming like that's happening right now. Okay, this is good. If this can respect just like this, you can definitely still have the same entry above here, if not better. We'll see though. Do we take it? Yeah, I know, right? I think it's all right.
Order filled.
Anticipating the top wick. Come on, and give it to me quick. Anticipating the top wick. Got my stop around 26. Damn, my entry is way worse over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. How many you up, Roger? Oh, damn. Shit. Oh, damn. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nigga, you cannot make this up, bro. I went from up 43.85.2 was my entry to I went from up 19 and I still will be in, bruh. Bruh. What happened? Bro, I took 2 losses on some bullshit. 43.85.2. 43.87.1. I was up 19. Bro, you cannot make this up. Brandon, I'm right. Well, I ain't right there with you. I ain't blowing no account or nothing, but I think I took a bigger loss than I needed to. Because what you have the entry on, Roger, to break it at 15 minutes? Bruh. Man. I definitely wouldn't buy off of this or sell into this support right here. but I'm sure it's gonna fly right on down through there. Bruh. Did you take anything? No way. I thought you said it didn't get you in. Oh, way. Oh. Oh, Trader Nick. My man. What's up, buddy? Over here playing around. Gold is doing gold. Gold is doing gold. Man, look. Can't live with it, can't live without it. I know, right? Dang, so it didn't get you in and it got you in? Bro, I'm just glad it's on stream just so we can see the bullshit. Oh man, that's funny. So the idea was here that we closed right at a support. And considering that we closed right at a support, I anticipate, and this is kind of what we were talking about on the podcast, Nick. You think that price will ultimately continue down, but you think that price will make a larger top wick, at least coming into these resistances up here. And considering I'm a 1-to-1 trader for the most part, you know, you see 25, 30, 35 ticks. It's usually good enough, quote unquote. So I saw about 19 and price just wanted to go ahead and do what it wanted to do in a jiff. That was crazy. So funny. I'm just glad I can laugh it off and that it's not burning a hole in my chest. Because, man, it's something. But let's see, it's 10 o'clock. Roger, is there anything else to take, man? It's getting into a weird area. Kind of down to these supports right here. Safe. Yeah, like below all of this, like under here, likely coming down into this. I lost a cool AK on gold yesterday. Yeah. Is it realized or unrealized though? I mean, Jesus. Let's see. It sucks because I still think that this is going to go up. I just really don't want to hop in this again right now specifically. But all we had to do was break this high and it was likely going to fly up. It's just, you, man, do you really want to revenge this shit now? I realize, but I'll get on to the next. Yeah. Dang it. Roger, I was sitting up pretty, man. Up 19. He said I lost 2K on the day and blown account on the other. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yep, I agree. And what's funny is, let's see, what did I use as what was my entry? 4385.2. It just got to 4388.9 right there on that high. That'd have been plenty enough for me, especially with prop trading of maxing out on the day. But that's just kind of what comes with the game. So entry was right here. Saw some nice little profits. Saw 19 at this top. And ultimately a meltdown of 100 pips in three minutes before it finishes it on out. And y'all know me, trading prop accounts, I definitely go high risk because why not? They don't, the scale, it's not really nothing crazy. So I can't really sit in negative 90 pip drawdown. Trying to shoot for 40 doesn't make sense. So it's what comes with the game. What comes with the game. Yeah, Roger, I'm with you. I'm probably here till I give it 10-15. 10-15, but then after that, and that's simply just to get a closure above this resistance again. When it closed above here, came all the way up. When it respected, came all the way up. So, but I'm not playing in this area no more. None. It's all good, man. It's all good, man. I'm telling you, bro. Like I said, I'm glad we can laugh about it, brother, because this wouldn't have been so funny about a couple years ago. I wish people in the YouTube could hear my Zoom chat, but it sounds like I'm talking to myself right now, which is fine. But I'll troubleshoot that one of these days. I know I have to, or I can share my entire something. Let me do that. And let me see if share entire screen. Sometimes the music will echo though. So I just got to make sure it doesn't echo. Let me go on YouTube and check for myself. Let's see. All right, mute. Can you say something, Roger, just to test it? All right, that still didn't work. So, like I said, we'll figure it out. Not a techie, if y'all don't realize yet, chat. Not a techie. Let's see. I'm gonna try one more thing. Share. Yes. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Now I'm gonna see if it's doing it. If it's doing that echo. All right. Say something again. Just test.
Check.
All right. Thank you. Mute. It has like the slightest echo for some reason when I use the audio. I don't know why. Usually I'm on this shit by myself, so it's not really that big of a deal. Dude, that's so annoying. I cannot believe that it did that. Just fell out.
Damn, 5 minutes, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to make it
5
a
minutes.
bad day for no reason.
Only trade I'm taking to go above, bro. That shit does not want to go.
Telling you.
They low all the way down there.
Yeah, I'll have to figure that out because it echoes too badly. It echoes too badly. Those that are on YouTube, if y'all can like and subscribe, make me feel a little better after these L's, that'd be great. You see profit, and in the way it falls is the same way you just go in profit, man. It's the same way. But that's gold for you. That is gold for you. Let's see. That's so crazy, Roger. What are we even doing? You think it'll go up 100 pips in the next minute? Hey, gotta stick to it, man. Gotta stick to it, man. It is what it is. Both trades I took today, take again. Let's see. And the annoying part is, I really don't want to do it, but I'm almost like, I ain't gonna say a fucking moment. I'm really not. But it's supposed to go up still. It's closing above here, which is a support. It has a wick to fill here, which is 40 away. And it's created a support officially. I got one more account for the day. I'm gonna see how this candle opens. That's all. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna use a 1 though if I were to take it. That's that 5-minute candle actually closed above the range here. But if it just goes up, it'll just be good to know that my idea is correct. Yeah, no bottom wick, just straight up. No bottom wick. 8 pip bottom wick. Just gave an easy 30. And you said your trading time is 10:30, Roger, or 10:15? I could always take. I just want to sock gold in the jaw. I'm telling you, to play the prop game, it's just different, man. It's just different. Because the real way of trading, we never had a reason to get out ever. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row, or 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row. It's never given us a reason to get out. But with risking high leverage, you have to know what you're getting into. And this is doing exactly what I said. Closing above this support. What happened every other time it closed above here? Came up here, came up here, came up here. I'm fully anticipating that we should come up into here. It's just, yeah. But all we're waiting on is now at this point, since I wasn't able to be a part of this, an actual closure above the place where candles keep projecting from. And I hate to keep saying the same old song of, all right, 10:15, all right, 10:30. But ultimate truth is, as long as you know you're right, it's fine. Like, you know you're doing it right. But seriously though, and I mean this wholeheartedly, I don't see anything by 10:30. I promise you I'm off. I promise you. Those on YouTube, thank you for rocking with me this long. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Bruh, I'm telling you. I'm not doing that again. It'll make me feel a little bit better after we take this buy W. The 4-hour candle, I believe, closed. Yeah, we're close to it. Man, I'm just trying to not break even. I'm just trying to get some confidence. I got 2 losses on 2 accounts. I got 1 more untouched. Man. Probabilities, hey, my stats show I should probably go about 7 for my next 9 or 10. So, hey man, what you say? Fuck it. It's all good though, man. I got a payout coming. Soon, man. I remember when I used to trade all my accounts at once, bro. That used to be, my heart used to thump so hard. But, bruh, 25 accounts running at once. Some getting slipped, some not getting activated. Different rules on different accounts, bruh. It's just so much to take into account. Was actually such a straight little play. Closure above this support right here. Yeah, I wanted to close up here. You say you're gonna be on until 12 o'clock? Brandon here for the vibe. I wonder if he's still fighting over there. All right, okay. What'd you say? Oh. Yeah, I mean. You might as well. There we go. This shit is so annoying. I want to punch something. Consistency cooked. Account blown. Ew, Brandon. Damn. Just think though, you have 2 payouts loaded for $6,000, 6,000 some change, whatever it is. So, okay, you had to buy 2 new accounts. It is what it is, bro. You could buy 4 accounts. It still is what it is, bro. Just got paid. It's not. Man, out the gate. What you said? That's if they don't deny the payout. Why would they deny the payout, man? Why would they just randomly deny it? What did I say though? What did I say, bro? What did I say? We should come right into here. I'm telling you, man, it's annoying. December 16th. Bro, you told them off. You told them what they was and what I'm gonna do. You said y'all are gonna keep my balance. No, what he said? I expect my balance to stay right where it is. Because who are you? Here we go, though. Bro, that is so telling you, bro. We're seeing this market well, y'all. We're seeing it well. Coming right into this resistance area where it's rejected out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, where it has turned into the support right here. What did it have to do? Come and close below to keep pushing. What does it have to do now? Close above to keep pushing. But as long as we are sitting in this, no, sir. I'm good. They just need to come on and do it. Because like I said, 10:30? James Kirkland III is leaving. It's leaving. If y'all are finding this entertaining on the YouTube, join the WAP. Join the WAP. We have a good time in this Zoom chat. Right? Look at what we're in right now. Look at us, fellas. We should be ashamed. zoomed in all close. Damn, man. Why did I take a loss on this? Just because it couldn't do what it needed to do when it needed to do it. Bro, I did not know it got you in. I did not know. But it must have just barely clipped you. I need to go back and rewatch that part of the YouTube. I might do that. Bro, let me go back and watch that. I gotta see that. I gotta see that in 4K with the whole chat here. Right. Oh yeah, 27. Man, I'm talking about I'm in good profits. Like I'm chilling. I'm like, oh, this is easy. Man. Bro, easy. Hey, man, you got to protect. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Share this tab. Let's see. I'm going to mute myself. And I'm going to just activate. I turn the music off. Not music, but sound. Where is it at? Oh, yeah, because we didn't get in yet. There we go. So as you see, I'm chilling. I got a 4 pip better entry over here. So chilling, breaking wicks, breaking highs. Roger said, oh, no, I'm not in yet. I said, oh, for real? All right, look. You see that little quick jolt right there? I'm like, oh, yeah, we good. Boom. But I said, okay, we playing around. Bro, we went from up about, I was up 19 right here. It broke that high, came down, came up again. Boom. What? What are we talking about? Like, hey, man, listen. Man, what? We were supposed to do what we're doing right now. But gold is falling out, though, right now. I see on my other screen. Let me stop sharing this foolishness. Share this tab instead. As long as the people see what we're looking at. That's what's most important. But I'm with you, though. I mean, like you said, what you set yourself back one day, like, it is what it is, bro. Like, it really ain't that big of a deal. In a perfect world, it'd be great if we can go 10 for 10 on 10 straight days of profit. But it's just like, as long as you can keep your losses to what you just kept it to, that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. It's when you lose the 1K. But I'm here for 3 minutes, 46 seconds. I'm gonna be saying bye to the chat. Second L of the entire month. Second L of the entire month, Roger just said. So it's been a cool month. I mean, no complaints. I'm glad we're getting all these all-time highs. Hopefully we can keep falling and just correcting. But it's just getting a little choppy when we start getting into these like support and resistance areas right here. Like, look at this, like bouncing. But let me go to this 30-minute because that's the a discipline, my brother. Discipline. Brady put me on to Take Profit Trader. And apparently it's a challenge, but you basically can get like a crazy ass account for like not much. So in January sometime after I get a few more payouts, I might look into that. It's a challenge. So, you know, like you know how we do instants? Well, those are challenge accounts. So unfortunately, you got to hit the target before you before you can get activated to your actual account. But at the same token, it's like after you get said target, the I guess the benefits are really nice after you get funded, basically. And there's no activation fee. So he trades only 150K accounts and they do 40% off all the time. So I want to say it's 360 for that, 360 times 0.60 because it's 4% off. So that's 216 for that account. I might as well share this tab. Stop playing with gold. Share this tab instead. Anyway, so it's 360 a month for 150K, 330 for 100K, 75, 245, 50K, 170, 25, 150. But these are the accounts where people be running up crazy bags. Like this was the account where the dude was making like $1 million a day back in October, November, whatever it was. But I'm gonna just do my research on it because you can trade up to 15 contracts on them. And I already pay I think it's probably $400. Yeah, I think I pay like $400 per, like $340 per account already. So, I mean, if I can just go 12 contracts for the max, I'll risk it for the biscuit. If I'm paying like $100, $200 an account, I really would. Because it's after you get it funded is where the fun begins. He's so crazy though, because he be talking to me about it. What'd you say? It says be consistent. Be consistent. But I think that, so what Brady does, which is so crazy to me. So when you're on a 150K account and you're live, like you're past the little weak ass challenge, all you got to do is get to above 4,500 and you can withdraw above that every day, whatever you want. So he gets 4,500 and then he makes 4,500 the next day times 5 accounts. He's up over 20,000. But what he tries to do is if you make $10,000 in a day, you're on a live account where it's everyday payouts. So he basically tries to get a $10,000 times 5 accounts in one singular day, every single time. So that's how he's up like 20K and he's just like, nah, fuck that. I just want to keep going. It's insane, bro. I got to look at their rules a little bit more. But bro, he is a loose cannon with it. Like he literally told me, he's like, I'm up 9K across 5 accounts right now. I said, wait, so that means you can withdraw 4,500 times 5? He's like, LOL, yeah, I didn't think about it like that. I said, what? And then his ass went and blew it in like 30 minutes. I'm like, you better than me. Bro, what? I mean, take 10. Take 10. Take something. But so you know how the way we look at it is, we look at it as get to the profit target, take the money. He looks at it as get to the profit target. Okay, now I can play. I'm like, I mean, it makes sense because of how little your drawdown is. Like if you but at the same token, if these accounts cost you $300 and you have $3,000 sitting on the table, that's a hell of a flip in 10 days. But at the same time, I get where he's saying of like, if you really trying to max, that's where you really can go crazy with it. So I get it. I really do. But nah, I ain't that greedy. Right? So they don't even do, I mean, I'm done trading for the day, y'all, by the way. I'm done with this foolishness. That doji closure. Stupid. Anyway, but one second, I'm about to sneeze again. Oh, I thought I was. Anyway, now he goes for the 150K, but his ass is so wild because he goes 150K and you get up to 5 accounts. He copies them all, goes full risk on all of them. So he throws a 15 contracts every single day until he hits the profit target of 9,000. And you have a 40 or 50%. There is a consistency Let me see. Share this tab instead. Let's see. There is a consistency rule somewhere. Be consistent. 50%. Okay, 50%. So he says I make the 4,500 on day 1. Then I try to make the 4,500 on day 2. And then he just flips them for 3 more days because you got to have the 5 trading days. So you can go 45 or like say 4,000, 4,000, and then nickel and dime to get the last one, or 4,500, 4,500, and then go micro for 3 seconds, 5 seconds. There's no minimum time, nothing. It's insane, bro. Like I said, you can make, and see, I told him when I was talking to him about it, I was like, if I did this, I would do 1 account at a time, high risk. But there's no way I'd go all 5, just let my nuts hang every single time, throwing 15 contracts on gold. With 15 contracts on gold, that's 30. You got to get 30 to get 4,500. But buy one and sell one. Exactly. But at that time, at that token, you are essentially spending the 216 times 2. But you do. But see, remember though, with Apex, there was a 1-day pass rule, so I can get the whole thing in 1 day. With this, there's not a 1-day pass, so you got 5 days anyway. So with that being said, you really probably gonna spend about a week or 2 getting these accounts, which is fine. I'm cool with it because let's see. I'm gonna go back to the knowledge base. Profit target. I'm telling you. So pro account rules, no counter positions. I'm trying to find how you get paid on here because I believe once you get TBT's reward system, I believe once you get over a certain dollar amount, you can have everyday withdrawals. But like I said, I just got to do my due diligence. Like when you talk to the, I guess the Twitter Spaces and all that, this is like the #1 prop firm that people like or whatever. They say like they're just so solid. I've never done anything with it, but people love them. Pro account, how to keep track of your drawdown, pro account rules. Yeah, I gotta dig some more onto it. Look at some YouTube videos, but it's interesting. And you can have 5 of them. Withdrawals, there you go. Pro account profit split, 100. Okay, that's what it is. That's what it is. So when you get to 150, if you have 100K, I'll just use 100K. If you have 100K and you get to 103, you can withdraw everything above that 103. But I don't believe there is a consistency rule. So you can go first day, go crazy, make that 103, or hell, 105, 106, 107, and you can withdraw everything above that 103. So all in all, you can like just go crazy on these accounts. And I think it's 80% once you reach your maximum drawdown. And then once you get to like that Pro Plus account or whatever he was talking about, which is 10,000 in a day, is 90% and everyday withdrawals. It's crazy, bro. I'm gonna do my due diligence on it. I'm telling you, bro. But you got to do the challenge account first, which you're not even really tripping about because you just going high risk, high leverage. So let's see, if you get a 40% off discount, that's 170 times 0.60, that's $102. So, I mean, you likely are going to pass 1 out of at least every 3 accounts, at least, but probably 1 out of every 2, just with how we trade. Because you got to think, if the target is 3,000, I guess it would be 3,000, 2,500, whatever it is. You got 6 contracts, man. At that point, you just throw that full 6, because you don't take too long on them challenges. Yeah, it's a $3,000 profit target. So for that 6, if you're trying to make no more than 50%, you would go 6 contracts for, was that 18 pips? whatever it is, 15 pips, I think it is. No, 25. Sorry, 25. Because 1,200, 1,500. Anyway, yeah. So 25, and you just can't lose it. That's the only thing. There has to be a method to the madness for sure, but it's interesting. I mean, the way we be buying these instants, it's like you basically have the price slashed in half to like do these challenges, and you can copy trade up to 5 at once. So once you get them all active and live, man, imagine you get them all active and live and you get them all above that buffer every day. Because all you got to do is like we were just looking at is, let me share this tab. All you got to do is get it above that 2. So in this case, you will need to reach a balance of 52,000 in order to start withdrawing at 80% of total profit. So you get this 50 to 52. And after that, I don't think it's any drawdown. Not drawdown, consistency. I really don't. I'm gonna double check that. I don't think it's any consistency. I'm telling you. So you get above that 2K, and then every day that's your live account basically. And it ain't no gotta get 6%, gotta get 5%, gotta get 4%. So you basically get above that 2K, have a $500 day, or hell, a $200 day. There goes your money back for the challenge, and now it's all just green. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna look into it though. I mean, I got plenty of instant accounts right now, so I'm gonna just chill where I'm at. And you should definitely keep running your play. But I'm gonna see, like, say you just sit aside like a few $100s and try some 50Ks and just see how you feel like throwing that 6, but like low, what's the word? You're not really fully invested in it because it's like, I know that I can lose this account on one trade. Like, it is what it is. Or I know I can lose this account on 2 losses, however you decide to do it. Because if you have a $2,000 end of day drawdown and you throwing 6s, that means you really only got 33, 34 pips to play with. So you would have to say, shit, I'm gonna just put a 20 pip stop and about a 20 pip TP or 25 pip TP. And after you hit that twice, you just flip days, 2 flip, 2 flip. That's it. And you got that account for 102. And now you withdraw from it every day after you reach the 2,000. Or after the 5 day. Yeah, because I say flip. But yeah. Let me see. I want to chat. I want to ask them. Is there a consistency rule after passing the initial challenge? They made me put all my information in. See, here we go. I don't be fucking doing all that. We definitely gonna see. We might, man. But I said, I'm serious this time. I'm here. I mean, hell, I've been talking about this shit for the last whatever, so I might as well stay here now. Pro account, how to keep track of your drawdown, Pro Plus account. For real though. And that's gonna be your closest thing to it, basically. That's gonna be your closest thing to it. Man, you making me stay around for nothing, bro. And I'm sick of it. Nigga, look at this. Look at this 1 minute candle, bro. What? I just turned away. For 2 seconds. 2 seconds, bro. What? 88 pip fall, bro. What? What are we doing, chat? Man, what? 87 pip fall from the high about 100. 100, y'all. I'll look away. And just switch the tabs that fast. Roger, let's get off this shit before we do some dumb shit, please. I'll be on tomorrow, most likely. This is foolish. This is insanity. No top wick on a 1 minute, 60 pip ball. Yeah, bro. He said you would. I mean, yeah. He said you did or you would. All right, bro. It's been a cool day. I'll see you. I'll probably be on tomorrow. If I'm not, I'll let y'all know. I think everything is business as usual tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know if the daily low gets near. Is it? Oh no, hell no. Hell no. I'm on the 1 minute. I'm talking about the daily low. Boy, that's so far down. That's right here. I'll catch y'all, boys. Y'all be safe. Be smart. Don't do anything stupid. Yeah, be safe.